yung may pink mang na gano'n, hindi ka saksi.
Oh, sige na.
Ba't ako nakagad?
Wala ko nila nyo.
Ba't ka ba nakashort?
Kasi hindi
Dapat hindi mo na. Tamod, tamod.
Bayan? I-type daw.
Hoy, bilisan nyo, tagal ng video. Yung
Hindi
video.
naman ang tape, guys. Kami tumang, sayang naman yung ginawa ko.
Right? Makasasali ka ng phone. Wag ganyan, ha?
Ma'am, di kaya talbugan sa chill. Sa props na lang.
Ang taas?
Kasi nakabahan na ako.
Pakiayos mo na. Marvin, pakiayos mo.
Ay, ay.
Hindi yan iligid sa ano eh.
Ay, 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 ay.
Sakto, wala si Joanna.
Walang dede.
Okay, quiet.
Ladies and gentlemen, honorable judge, gentlemen of the jury, people of the Philippines, judge me. Am I guilty or not guilty? But before you sentence me, let me tell you my story. There was a young girl, 17 years of age, with a curvaceous body. 24. A glamorous hair, tantalizing eyes, and studying at University of San Nicolas. Oh my gosh! I met this guy. He's the best player in our basketball. And he's the heartthrob of our school. Oh my gosh! And his name? Caspu Roque Santillan. Isn't it sweet? Oh my gosh. We became friends. And later on, became more than friends. After 1 year relationship, we decided to settle down. But since his parents disagreed, he was no longer supported in his studies. So, I decided to give up my studies and work as a salesman. When his graduation came, I was so happy. I wore my nicest dress ever. When his name was called, I shouted with glee. But then, I was shocked when another girl stood up and gave that medal to me. I'm supposed to give that medal because I'm his wife. I'm his wife, right? I'm his wife. When he returned home, I confronted him. Ruby, who is that girl? And then he answered, it is not your business. But I'm your wife, Ruby. You are just my customer. How could you do this to me, Ruby? I gave up my studies and work as a sales lady. And this is how you pay back? You can just do this to me, Ruby. You can just do this. When he packed things, I decided to get my You don't think you I'm your wife, Ruby. You are mine. You are mine. Joyce, be done. No, don't leave me. Don't leave me, Ruby. Don't leave me. Then, I decided to go up and did the worst thing in my whole dumb life. I shot him. Judge, gentlemen of the jury, people of the Philippines, judge me. Am I guilty or not guilty? I killed you because I love you.